Hello guys, welcome to Teacher Family channel. All of my videos are focusing studying English, and I play English puzzle word with my daddy and me. And now I need to read.
Hello, welcome back again with our channel that we are focused with the English puzzle word to learn English word in our video. So now you move a little bit. Yes, this is the puzzle game.
Yeah.
Yes, and this is the word that we need to find in the puzzle. So now, same as to another video, we always put the 5 words to find in the puzzle game. So now, Jenny will be read all words.
Ostrich.
Yeah, now start reading.
Ostrich. Say with me. Ostrich. Mountain. Say with me. Mountain.
Yes.
Sweater. Sweater.
Yeah, sweater.
Sweater.
Yes.
Pencil.
No, this one pelican.
Pelican.
Yes.
Say with me again. Pelican.
And the last one.
Pencil.
Pencil. Yes. So now, please spelling all that 5 words.
Yeah.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. This is just a rich.
Yeah. We take out OST, it becomes rich. Yeah, but it's the full meaning.
Rich is mean very a lot of money.
Yeah, but it is the ostrich.
Ostrich.
Yeah. Spelling again.
Ostrich.
Yeah.
Mountain. MOUNTAIN.
N-T-A-I-N. Okay.
MOUNTAIN.
Again, not clear. Again.
MOUNTAIN.
Yeah, sorry, confused. Again, mountain again.
MOUNTAIN.
Yeah, correct. And number 3 is sweater.
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 And number 4,
Pelican.
P-E-L-I-C-A-N.
PELICAN.
And the last one, pencil.
PENCIL.
Yeah, correct.
Pencil
So
for
now,
drawing.
so
Pencil
now,
is for drawing.
so now in the puzzle game we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, roll and 1, 2, 3, 4,
11 row.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11 column.
Column? What's
Yeah.
column?
Column is the yes, and the row is like this. Yeah.
Like this? You mean like this?
Yes, yes, correct. So we have 12 rows and
11 column.
to find the word, to find the letter in the column. Now start find ostrich.
OSTRICH.
Yeah, so ostrich. Let's start with letter O.
Wait, that. What's that? I don't understand.
Letter O, where is it? The letter O.
No. No. Wait, this is just about 10.
Yeah. Where is letter O for ostrich? O.
Yes, this one.
Oh yes. Not O.
OSTRICH.
Okay, I will move.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. So this ostrich, that the first word you already found and circle.
I confused with the ostrich. It's a ostrich.
Yeah.
Now mountain.
Yeah. Then mountain. You move a little bit.
Yeah.
Our viewer can find with you. Okay. And you already.
Because what I just found in Ostrich I see.
Okay.
You tell me.
A-I-N. Yeah. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N.
Wait.
Yeah, mountain.
Whoa.
And number 3.
Sweeter.
Sweeter. Let's start from
Maybe
letter
I thought it's
W.
really hard.
W.
No S.
Oh no, sorry, S. Not W, letter S. That line is
Oh,
now.
My lord.
That line. You move a little bit. Yeah.
Cuckoo kaka.
S W. Where is the W?
Guys, like and subscribe.
Let's find us together. S.
This one.
Oh, yes, sweeter. You see it. Okay, sweet. The spelling S
W-A-T-E-R.
So sweeter. And then
Pelican.
Pelican.
It's a bit harder and harder.
Pelican is start from letter P-E-L. Oh, you already easy. Yeah. So start here for
Pelican. P-A-L-I-C-A-N.
Yeah, correct. I'm confused again. Reading wrong.
You always confuse.
Yeah, Pelican.
What?
And the last one is pencil. Pencil.
P-E-N.
Okay, you see. Yeah, too fast. Yeah, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Yeah, correct. Pencil.
Are you sweating?
Yes. So
Sweating have a lot of on your body.
Okay, so now the 5 words you and me already play in the puzzle.
And then now let's read again.
Yeah, read again.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
The big animal.
Yeah.
They love to eat vegetable cucumber.
Yeah, and then mountain.
Mountain. Mountain, we see it in the beach.
Yeah. And sweater.
What's sweeter?
For wearing when you cold.
Eh.
Like jacket, but not same. And
Pelican.
Pelican is the is the animal also, but have the wing and catching the fish to eat in the lake. Something.
They're really bright and but they head is like this.
Yes.
Look like a heart.
Yeah. And the last one is
Pencil for drawing a geometry.
For writing or drawing something like that.
If we want to draw a house.
Yes, we use the pencil. So now our 5 words already found. And then only say thank you everyone for watching our video. So don't forget subscribe our channel for watch more and learn more English with us.
And comment if we say it wrong.
Yeah, if something that we have wrong, please comment under our video. Yeah. And thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.